In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your product price settings on Wix. Let's start right from your Wix dashboard. Head into Settings. This is where you'll control how prices appear across your store. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scan the left-hand menu. It's in the same area where you manage your store preferences. Next, open Store Products and Inventory. This section centralizes the options that affect what shoppers see on your product pages and how pricing communicates value. Once you're in the Wix Store's settings, look for the checkout and pricing behavior controls. Here, you can choose whether certain order-related actions happen when the order is placed or only after the order is paid. Selecting when the order is considered in progress has a real impact on your workflows, things like automations, low stock triggers, or fulfillment timing. If you collect payment off-site or need a stricter flow, only after the order is paid keeps everything clean. If you prefer to kick off processes as soon as someone checks out, when the order is placed can speed things up. Now, let's make pricing crystal clear for your customers. Turn on the option to show whether tax is included or not. This simple label helps set expectations and can be important for compliance in many regions. If you sell internationally or in areas with specific tax rules, use wording that accurately reflects how you price, either tax inclusive or tax exclusive, so shoppers know exactly what to expect at checkout. Next, enable the option to show info about shipping and delivery. This adds a helpful line right near the price or purchase area. Type a short, customer-friendly note, something like free shipping or ships in 2-3 business days. Keep it brief and consistent with your actual shipping policies so it builds trust without overwhelming the page. If your products have variants or configurations with different prices, pay attention to the price range display. When a product can cost, say, anywhere from a lower amount to a higher one, depending on choices, showing a price range prepares shoppers before they open the product details. This is particularly effective for items with sizes, bundles, or add-ons. Finally, toggle the option to show From next to the price. This label signals a starting price for variable or customizable products, which reduces confusion and sets the right expectation that the final price may change based on selections. That's it. With these settings in place, your pricing will be clearer, your checkout flow more predictable, and your product pages more trustworthy, all of which can improve conversions and reduce support questions.